Hello everyone, this is Adityan Gopinathan. I have cleared this FMG June 2021 exam with a score of 210. I'm really glad and I feel blessed. I'm a student of DMA Coaching Center, Da Vinci Medical Academy. They really played a very crucial part during my preparation for the exam. The main reason why I joined DMA is that I really like this schedule. That's one of the main reasons why I joined. When I was so desperate for a proper plan or for proper guidance, that's when I actually got to know about DMA. I happened to come across one of their advertisements, and I contacted them, and I really liked this schedule so much. That's what I was exactly expecting, and my demands were met with the proper schedules. Well, that being one of my major reasons to join the institute. After joining, I also kept this promise to myself that I should actually stick to the schedule basically, because that's uh, that's what I intended to do. Like in their whole plan, in their whole coaching program for each FMG session, what they do is they divided their whole coaching session into three. The first would be low yield, then high yield, then revision. So what low yield and high yield is basically the subjects. They divided the whole 19 subjects of FMGE into two. One is low yield and the one is high yield. So high yield is basically when what they do is they just it contains all the high weightage marks which would be asked in the examination, and also the subject which carries more correlation with other subjects. After joining the first subject happened to be biochemistry. So what they did is they gave 5 to 6 days for each subject. So biochemistry was like, say suppose it was actually 6 days. So 3 days we used to the teacher used to teach us. The faculties, they give us lectures for the first 3 days. Then the next 2 days would be revision. We would be revising the notes that we've taken, and the last day, the sixth day, would be for test and discussion. We used to give tests in the app, and then we would used to there would be some discussion sessions, and we wrap up the subject within 6 days. So I made a promise to myself that I am really going to keep up to the schedule. Like I'm not gonna go past that schedule, like 6 days. For example, again with the biochemistry, what happened was at the end of sixth day, I wasn't able to complete the entire biochemistry, but still I finished the major chunk of it, and there was some residual topics, some miscellaneous topics left at the end of sixth day, but I still didn't take it to the next day. The next subject was like microbiology, but I still didn't take that baggage with me when the next schedule started. I just put an end to that, and then I started with microbiology. So how that helped me is that they also have catch-up days in between. They gave me a proper, like there was some rest in the whole schedule. There was even catch-up days, and there were even rest days. So during that time, I used to take those residual topics and try to finish in those given time. So I just had a belief that it will work out. So as to my belief and trust, I realized that it really did a great part in my preparation. Once I was about to finish once the whole high yield subjects was come to an end, I got the confidence that okay, I actually gone through so much of subjects, leaving very less, but I've gone through most of the important topics and everything within a power packed time, which was like 1.5 months or something. So that gave me immense confidence firstly. So that plays a very crucial part. You know, someone planning for your next 3 months, like someone planned your whole next 3 months. I had to do nothing. My whole 3 months was planned and prepared for me to keep me engaged. So they took that burden and they did it, and then all I had to do was just follow it. So I just did that. Whatever the schedule is, we have to stick to it, and I wasn't able to do that myself. So after joining DMA, it became very easier to stick to the schedule, because they were always there to keep us on tracks. So that being said, that being the main reason for me to join DMA, they have great many features in their coaching program. Basically, one of their greatest assets that I would say is that they have a brilliant set of faculties. And among them, I really loved most of them. Like most of the faculties were really good. They were really good at what they're in their respective fields. So DMA coaching program called as test and discussions. What we basically do is we take a question. The faculty take a question and then they give options and then let us answer, and then we sort of have discussions around the topic. One of the most important features of DMA is their counseling. They have these counseling sessions. I don't know how many of the institutes follow this, but I'm not aware basically. But still, I really would like to appreciate their counseling sessions so much because it was very helpful. So basically, what counseling is that at least once a week, meet us and then they look at our progress based on how we perform in the tests and how we generally have progressed through attending Q banks and what are our mistakes and how we have to improve. And we used to have open conversations with them, like like we need this help, like we need to do that and all that. So that was one of the most important feature that really helped me a lot. They also have this Analytica session, which is basically Analytica. What it is that it is a basic psychological questionnaire which we all attended initially, through which they assess what kind of a psychology that we are in and what sort of a person that we are. Are we a conceptual person or are we a fact-based person? So based on that, they used to give us they used to assess, are we a visual learner or are we an auditory learner, or we used to just read, or I'll be benefited by discussion. So they used to assess that, and then they gave me a very proper, precise, customized plan for me. Like you have to read this way, you have to do this, and it'll be more benefit if you approach your learning through this. So that helped me a lot, basically. Yeah, as I said, the ambience is really good. There was a time when during the rest days, I'd like to come and ask the DMA people if I can use the classroom, because it was that user friendly. It was that much. That is kind of an environment that we would like to study. So that it was that good, basically. So that's one of the greatest strengths. Again, I would actually recommend DMA to anyone who is anyone who is in my position, basically. Whoever wants this, whoever wanted a proper schedule, whoever are needing some sort of a proper direction, some proper schedule, I would definitely recommend those people to absolutely join DMA, because they have one of the best plans. And thank you so much. Thank you, DMA, for making this possible. Would it have been possible without you? So they also have so many great other features which you must do inquire. So thank you, basically. Thank you DMA, for everything that you've done. And thanks Almighty, and thank my parents. They've been my parents and my sister and my brother. So I thank all of them. Thank you so much. Thank you.